Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm David. So if you want more information about this project, let's go.
Wind Turbine Generator Kit 12V 600W Vertical Axis Wind Generator Kit Electricity Producer Equipment for home, boat, marine, monitoring, street lighting and more solar and wind hybrid system. White 3-phase AC motor. Permanent magnet 3-phase AC motor can reduce the resistance torque of wind generator effectively. Also allow the wind wheel and the generator to achieve a better match and more reliability performance. Greatly enhance the efficiency. Easy start blade. Adopt 5-leaf vertical blade and double-axis flange tower. The wind generator is easy to start within 2 to 3 level wind, wider applicability. Low amplitude during the blade rotating, very stable and low noisy during working. Widely applications. Topping permanent magnet rotor AC power generator usually used in conjunction with solar generators to maximize power generation. Widely used in home, street lighting facilities, boats, factories, offshore equipment, etc. Easy installation. We provide detailed product disassembly diagrams so that you can easily understand the product structure and then quickly install and disassemble. Simple and labor-saving to install on roofs, telephone poles, ship masts and other equipment. Buying with confidence. Shipment start from US local warehouse. Delivery usually takes 3-8 days. Our professional customer service team available in 24H.
So thanks for watching. If you want more information about this project, if you want to know customer review, the price and everything, don't forget to click the link in the description of the video. And before leaving, you can subscribe. Thank you guys. Take care of you. Bye bye.